Any comments, any thoughts about this ruling to release Mahmoud Khalil? I know that you yourself have been involved in litigation trying to get justice for victims of Hamas and victims of other Islamic terrorist organizations. What are your thoughts on these judges ruling,
Well, you're right.
ordering
I
for
still haven't.
Mahmoud Khalil, who has been involved? He's not even a United States citizen, been involved in these protests that are favorable to Hamas, releasing this dangerous individual back onto the streets of America. Also, too, they announced today that they're releasing Kilmar Abrego Garcia, who's an illegal alien, back into the streets of America. So, you know, up is down, down is up. It's unbelievable what is happening in our country. And I just wanted to get your thoughts on this as
Well,
somebody
you're right,
who,
Laura. Just a little background. I've sued the supreme leader before for Akbar Mohammadi, the first student leader to call for regime change. He was mutilated. His body, you know, went through the streets of Tehran celebrating that. His brother, manager, whose genitals were mutilated. Still have a case pending for the victims, families of Extortion 17 against Iran. I have a default against them. These people are dangerous people. Most Iranians in this country are good people. They're industrious. They basically built Beverly Hills, for instance. And I have a couple of them who are my doctors, Iranian Jews. But the Iranians and the type of Mahmoud of Khalil, these are radical people. These are people who present a clear and present danger to the United States. And any judge that would let that person out on the streets, frankly, should be removed as a judge. He's not engaging in good behavior. By the way, there's no constitutional right to life tenure in the Constitution for federal judges. It's serving for good behavior. It doesn't exist. Yet we have a judiciary committee run by Jim Jordan, who hasn't called one judge up in 8 years, actually longer than that, 9 years. He's not a lawyer. He could still call them up, call them in the carpet, have them start impeachment proceedings and get that underway. He'd rather go on Fox News and fundraise. This is what you're dealing with. And this is why you are sitting on a committee with regard to Freedom Watch that will take action against these judges with citizens' grand juries, citizens' trials, holding them accountable. And we need to do something, because without a legal system that functions, then the country is going to go into a very violent state, and we don't want to see that.